Hola, welcome to another makeup tutorial. Today's tutorial is soft glam makeup look for dry skin. Okay, so first, my name is Concordia and this is my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel for makeup and beauty related content, and I post new videos every week. So first, I've washed my skin. We're starting with skin preparation. So now I'm cleaning my skin to take off the extra dirt, the stubborn dirt that are still on my face. And now I'm going to use this toner. It says on the bottle that it moisturizes the skin, it cleanses, so, and all that good stuff. Okay, so first you need to moisturize your skin. Your face is ready for the makeup that you're going to put on it, okay, especially for dry skin. So now I'm applying my moisturizer and I am going to wait for it to sink into the skin. Just apply my lip balm and now I am applying primer on my face. For the real makeup, I'm using this foundation. It's a radiant foundation. It's a moisturizing, it's not a matte foundation. So I'm just blending in the foundation, and you can take a little extra foundation if you need more for more coverage. Share with you guys how you can cover up those dark spots. So I'm using this orange concealer from LA Girl, and that is what I'm going to use to cover up my spots. You can do this before applying your foundation or after applying your foundation, but I prefer doing this after applying my foundation. So now I'm going to highlight my face because I want to give definition to my face. So I'm using this concealer. This is in the shade Fun. It's in the shade Fun, and I'm going to use this to highlight under my eye, of my nose, and my forehead, and my cupid's bow. And now I'm going to blend. As you can see, I started blending the outer part of the concealer, that means the edges. That's where I started blending from. This is going to give you a smooth blend, and it's good out any harsh line any between your highlight and your contour. My sheer mineral pressed powder, and I apply this with a brush on to set my concealer first, just a little bit of it, then before going in to my setting powder, like baking, because I have dry skin, because when I bake it leaves my skin drier and under my eye. So I just set it with a little bit of setting powder and I press it into the skin. And now I'm going to contour my face, and I'm using that contour palette. I want to add some definition back into my face, okay? So, and that's what I'm doing now. I'm just adding definition, contour my nose a little bit, because of course this is soft glam, so it's meant to be soft glam. and do that under my jawline also. And now taking that same powder that I used before to set my concealer, I'm going to use this to set many parts of my face. And now the part I love the most, one of the most important parts of my makeup, and it's eyebrows. So I have 2 eyebrows tutorial on my channel. Make sure to check that out. It's detailed and it's going to help your eyebrow game. So I'm doing this using a brown pencil, and the look I'm going for today is kind of like a glam eyebrow, if there's anything like a glam eyebrow. Now taking this light brown pencil, this one is lighter than the first one I used, and I'm going to use this to fill in the beginning of my brows. Okay, and I'm just doing like upward strokes, so trying to create fake hair. I'm trying to give the illusion that I have hair, but as you can see, my brows are kind of sparse. So now I am going to clean my brows using that same concealer that I used before, and I'm using this angled brush. You can definitely use a flat brush or any brush that you are comfortable with. So guys, at this point I'm going to remind you, if you are not a subscriber on my channel, this is the time. Please y'all, if you're getting value from this tutorial, if you're enjoying this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, also share with your girlfriends, and the most important thing, subscribe to my channel, okay, for value. Subscribe to my channel to get makeup tips, beauty tips, makeup content, glam tutorials. Please hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to click the notification bell. Click that notification bell to always get notified whenever I upload new videos. I upload new videos every week. Okay. This is meant to be a soft glam, so I'm just kind of trying to do that. And now I am applying mascara. And guys, my final step is to use a moisturizing spray. Okay, use a moisturizing spray to spray on your makeup and give you that dewy kind of look and not dry flaky kind of look. Okay, so this is the finished look, guys. I love it. It was easy to achieve. It is glam. It is soft glam makeup. Okay, so if you did enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave down your comments, your suggestions. I'll reply to all of them, and most important, subscribe to my channel.